Hey there, I'm Mosik and welcome to the Art Studio. Well, today we have Carlos San Millan from Spain visiting us and doing a 3-day workshop. So if you're ready, let's start. Today's the second day to Carlos San Millan's workshop and I got this far on my painting, and while that dries I just wanted to start on my second one. This is a drawing that I did of the episode of Hercule Poirot from Agatha Christie's mysteries, and I just really fell in love with the scene. And here, actually, as you can see, it's really dark and there's a strong contrast, and I just want to challenge myself into trying to create this scene in that style. So I'm ready. Today is the third day, and I just wanted to show you that this is what I am working on. So it's not quite done yet, but I'll keep you posted, okay? That's it with the workshop. Unfortunately, 3 days flew by with intense painting and a lot of instruction from Carlos. So if you haven't taken a workshop, I highly recommend it, okay? So what I'll do is I'll post his link on this YouTube video, and you can go check it out and possibly book one of his workshops. Thank you, Carlos. And guess what? I have his painting on my wall. Check it out. Until next time, happy painting. Bye.